work with more partners than two in order to bring out the value. And I'm extremely proud to announce today, light pole over there, the zero site, as we call it in Ericsson. Okay, do you see it? Good. As we're moving into the next century here and the urbanization is continuing, these type of solutions between big companies is very important to bring out the value. But I'm not going to talk about it on myself alone. I actually have the CEO of Philips here, Frans van Houten, that will tell us a little bit what we're doing together. Frans, please come up.
Hi, Hans.
Hello, Frans. Great seeing you. So what is this partnership all about?
I think it's a very exciting partnership. I mean, the biggest lighting company in the world and the biggest telecommunication infrastructure company in the world together, we can do something. But let's have a look at the world around us. We see a massive urbanization happening in the world. We heard earlier already this morning that the amount for data communication will only explode. And that means we need more capacity. We have cities as our customer. And cities tell us they would love to see a nicer urban environment where their citizens are safe and where the lighting is helping for a conducive environment and it saves them energy. With LED energy efficient lighting, cities can save between 50 and 80% of energy.
50 to 80%.
50 to 80%. Now, if you realize that there is between 200 and 300 million light poles in cities, and the penetration is only about 3%, that means that cities will have a massive upgrade to the new technology. But while we do that, here comes our partnership, because we can integrate in these light poles your telecommunications equipment and create a double whammy for the cities.
Absolutely.
A better environment as well as a new way of providing access. Now, how does that actually work, Hans?
And what we've done here is, of course, again, it's all about densification. I mean, we believe that the cities in the future will require a lot of connectivity. If it's traffic management, knowing which parking lots are open, etc., it's going to require much more densification. It's harder and harder to actually get the rooftops, etc., in cities. So this is a combination of two leaders bringing together two solutions. For our customers is operators. They will have the possibility to get a much denser network in order to have a 21st century infrastructure in the city of connectivity. And that's what we've done together, and that's what you see up there on the zero site for the connected light pole.
So, of course, people are then interested, how does this work and how do we bring these technologies together? And we think that the business model is pretty important.
Yes.
You know, to unlock this potential collaboration. We have started as Philips to offer light as a service. I told you already that the energy savings are between 50 and 80%. That means cities can upgrade to energy efficient lighting and it will pay for itself. We offer the infrastructure and then out of the energy savings, the payback will come. But now we go a step further.
Absolutely.
Now we will reuse the real estate of the light pole and offer the cities to make the light pole actually a transmission mast. We think that this is a very attractive opportunity. We have already the first proofs of concept with some of our joint customers. So we are ready for the stage, for scaling it up.
And important maybe also to mention that the design becomes very important, Frans, that it looks nice, etc. Now the radio base station here is transparent, so you can see it, but in the real life it's not going to be transparent. But we have worked quite a lot on the design, where you are more an expert than us.
This is true. I mean, you would be amazed how important the design is for city mayors. Yeah. They want their cities to look nice, to not clutter the sidewalk, and to have this inobtrusive environment. But with this explosion of the Internet of Things, we need more capacity.
Absolutely.
And together we will be able to bring capacity right into the center stage of the city in a way that works much better, and you no longer need rooftops. So I think this is very exciting, and Hans, we will collaborate on this together, and for you to round it off.
Thank you very much, Frans. I take that back, and thank you very much, Frans.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Frans.